With the Bangor School Department mobile app, teachers, club advisors, and coaches have the ability to create groups. If you've already established a group's account, simply click on Returning Users and log in. This will allow you to access any groups that you may have joined previously. If you're new to groups and have been given a group code, enter it in the group code field. If you don't have a group code, simply enter VPA to join our Visual and Performing Arts group. This is an open group for our district. Currently, there are 3 different authentication methods available. You can select email, Google, or Facebook authentication. Next, you'll need to select the appropriate type of account. Keep in mind that all faculty and coach accounts are manually verified before any additional permissions are granted. Here, we need your first and last name along with your email address. You can see that the system pulled my last name into the first name field, and I'll need to move it down. This is an issue that we hope to have addressed shortly. The phone number field is optional. I'm now a member of the VPA group, and I simply click on the icon to view the group contents. Groups are being used to share information with students, parents, and community members. It's important to know that the group leader has the ability to moderate all content being posted. Although all group members do have the ability to post images to a group, they must first be accepted by the group leader before they're actually published. The calendar icon can be used to schedule events such as concerts, practice times, and club meetings. And of course, anyone can be a member of multiple groups. Simply enter the correct code or codes in the group code field to join additional groups. To access group preferences, click the gear in the upper right-hand corner of the group. Here you can select whether or not you'd like to receive push notifications when someone posts to the group, an email notification, and this is where you'd also leave the group if you needed to do so. The Groups module is a fun, safe, and interactive communication tool with a social media feel. It's not only a great way to stay connected with the Bangor School Department, but it's also a great way to show your support for all of the fabulous things that our students are doing. Download the app if you haven't already and log on today using the VPA code.